Hey guys, and welcome to my sophomore year move-in vlog. Today is Sunday, August 19th, and I'm making my way over to Milwaukee to move into my sophomore year dorm, except my move-in process this year is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to campus a week early for job training since I have an on-campus job. So I will explain my situation a little bit more to you guys once I get in the car, but I figured I would just do like my big usual overview of saying goodbye to my room. How crazy is it though that it is already a year since I filmed my last move-in vlog, and that video blew up my channel. Like, I don't know where I would be on YouTube today if that video hadn't done the way that it did. Like, my freshman move-in vlog has over 1 million views, and that is just insane to me that over 1 million people have watched me move into college. So anyways, we are now back for a part 2, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what our car looks like before we get on the road. So once again, we are packed full with everything, but I have my cubby right here where I'm going to be sitting, and I had to put my duffel bag under my feet, so we'll be doing a little bit of crisscross applesauce action over here. But yeah, my mom and I are about to take a thumbnail picture in front of this, and then we will be on our way. Okay, so now that we are finally en route and on our way to Milwaukee, I figured I would try and do my best to explain my move-in situation to you guys so you just know what's going on throughout this vlog. So because I have an on-campus job, I have to go to campus a week earlier than most other sophomores so I can go through job training and go on a work retreat with the rest of my office. However, because today is Sunday and the dorms don't officially open up until Thursday, which is freshman move-in day, I'm going to be having a little bit of an interesting living situation the next few days. So what's going to happen is that today I'm going to get access to my dorm room for only an hour or two so I can drop off everything that I have in the car with me right now. But then I'm going to go live in temporary housing in another dorm building for 3 days while I'm on campus for this job training that I'm doing. And then I officially get access to my dorm room this upcoming Thursday. And so that is when I'm going to be able to set everything up in my dorm. So this move-in vlog is gonna be like a 2-parter. So today we're like lugging everything into my dorm room, but I don't get to set anything up until Thursday just because they have like rules. We apparently just can't set up our things if we're dropping them off early. So that is what's going on. I want to fill you guys in, and we are on the road. So I will catch up with you guys once we're getting close to Milwaukee. Okay, so even though today is just an early drop-off date, there is still an amazingly large amount of people here, but we kind of parked our car and unloaded all my stuff onto the sidewalk, and I checked in and got a cart. So we are about to go up and see my room for the first time, and Haley, my roommate, is here as well because we're both doing early drop-off at the same time. So yeah, that's just what's going on right now, and I'm excited to see what my room looks like. Okay, we just got into the room, but we're like frantically unloading our cart so we can head back down because my mom is still waiting with the rest of my stuff on the sidewalk. Hello. Hi, Haley! Hello. But yeah, this is our kind of first look at the room. We have a hall closet, and then this is what the beds are set up like right now, but they're definitely not staying like this. We have a lot of windows and 2 more closets right here, so we're gonna figure this out later, but that's what's going on for now. Okay, so we are trying to figure out our bed situation, so we've been moving furniture around, and both of the beds fit straight across here. There's just a gap next to the wall with the heater, so we're trying to figure out if it would be better to do this or to do an L shape with one bed here and one bed there. Okay, so after a lot of sweat and manpower and moving furniture in different locations, I think we've decided that we're gonna do like an L shape in the corner, but who knows, that could change in the next week once we loft our beds, but we will figure that out later. And we are leaving our room right now. We can't like set up any of our stuff, so it's all kind of just like piled on beds or in the closet. And I'm gonna move into temporary housing today. So I will keep you guys posted as this room starts getting more and more put together. All right, I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I left my camera in my temporary room, but my parents and I are at a park by Lake Michigan just to kind of like go on a walk and enjoy the sunshine before they drive all the way back to Chicago. So we're just gonna hang out for a bit before they drop me back off at Marquette, and I'm left all on my own. Hey guys, so the lighting is like horrendously yellow in here, but this is the best it's gonna get, so we're just gonna work with it. But I think the last time I uploaded you all, I was with my parents at the park, and it has clearly been a while since I last talked to you, since it's dark outside, but I'm in my like temporary housing room. So if any of you are wondering what a room in Schrader Hall looks like, this is it. I'm here for the next like 4 days, but I'm technically only living here like tonight and Wednesday night because I'm going on a retreat with work. It's all very confusing. But yeah, this is my situation. I made a friend, so I'm gonna go have a movie night with her. And I set my stuff up on the top bunk because I thought they were gonna stick me with like a random roommate, but apparently I'm all by myself, which is cool. But yeah, this is my first time like sleeping on the top bunk, so I figured I would test it out in case I decide to loft my bed this year. But she is waiting for me, so I'm gonna go, and I will catch up with you guys probably Thursday morning after my work retreat, when I actually have the keys to my dorm and am actually allowed to set everything up. Hey guys, so today is Thursday the 23rd. I'm about to leave this temporary housing situation and head over to my actual dorm room to be able to set it up and clean and everything. I'm all on my own today, but I'm pretty confident that I'm going to get everything done. So I am actually gonna figure out how to take out my trash, since I don't know anything about this building, and then probably grab breakfast before I head over to my actual dorm room. But I will check in with you guys when I'm either like walking over or like just get into my room. I don't know how crazy it's gonna be, and I have like 3 bags that I have to trek across campus with, so let's just see what happens today. All right, well, I am in my room now, and I stopped by Dunkin' to get coffee to fuel me through the day. And I also got breakfast because none of the dining halls are open on campus, and I don't know where any of my stuff is, so I couldn't really make food. So I eat my bacon, egg and cheese sandwich and then get to cleaning and organizing. And my coworkers are coming over later to help me loft my bed, since I can't do that myself. So this bed right here is going to be mine, but we're going to mid-loft it, and so it's going to be raised a little bit off the ground. It's probably really loud in here right now because I opened all the windows, but there's a really nice breeze, so I'm super appreciative of it. And I'm probably going to change into a tank top just because I don't want to have pit stains during this whole moving process. So that's what's going on, and you guys are probably gonna end up watching a ton of time lapses today. I just put some sheets on my bed and couldn't make the rest of my bed because I'm waiting for my coworkers to come help me mid-loft it. So I figured I would get started on my closet space, and guess who forgot all their hanging clothes at home? Me. I literally had them in my closet, wrapped them in a garbage bag, and forgot them. I'm not freaking out too much though, just because I'm literally going home this weekend. I'm a bridesmaid for my cousin's wedding, and I have bridesmaid duties to take care of back at home. So I'm literally going home in like 48 hours. I'm not worried about that, but like, really, Veronica? Like, how could I forget my own clothes? Like, yeah, oops. Anyways, because I can't hang my clothes because I don't have them, and then can't fold up and put away my clothes in my drawers because I have to wait to be able to move them under my bed, I think I'm just gonna get started on my piece of IKEA furniture. It's just gonna be like a storage unit in my closet, but I will keep you guys updated as I continue to make progress. So I'm super sweaty right now, but I finally finished this little storage cube, and I thought it'd be fun to time myself. It literally took me 45 minutes to build that. What the heck? I didn't realize until after I had started building it that I would need a hammer, which I don't have, so instead I was like using my water bottle and like just jamming at it. But hey, it got built, and I'm proud of it, and I can say that I made it myself. But anyways, there was a little bit of a change of plans. My coworkers actually won't be coming to help me until later in the day, so I think I'm just going to finish making my bed, and then I really want to put my clothes away in my drawers that I have over there, but I'm scared that once I put the clothes in, they'll be too heavy to move under the bed because the drawer set is heavy enough on its own. So yeah, not really sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I'll probably make my bed right now and clean the bathroom since I haven't done that yet.
You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul. You bring me comfort to my soul.
Now, and I can't remember where my room was at when I last showed you guys, but I'll do just like a little bit of an overview. My closet, I've kind of organized a little bit more. This is permanent, these are permanent. I don't know if these are staying because they worked last year in my wardrobe, but they seem like too short for this closet. It's just a little awkward, so this is to be determined, and this is just all the stuff that I'm eventually going to put under my bed. once I mid-loft it on top of these two pieces of furniture. So I'm going to a work event right now, but then afterwards some of the girls are going to come help me loft my bed a little bit higher off the ground. And I also kind of set up our bathroom, and so we have a bath mat now. I put up a shower curtain. I have like a shower caddy going and all that jazz. Anyways, I have to get going so that I can be on time to my work event, and then I will be back here later with a few girls. We can mid-loft the bed, and then that will probably be the end of this vlog. But anyways, I'll catch up with you guys once I'm back in my dorm room. Alright, well, it is the end of the day, and I am back from work now. And the girls came over to help me loft my bed, but I completely forgot to film the whole process, but it is mid-lofted right now. The lighting in this room is super out of whack, so I'm gonna have to figure out additional lighting to get other than this overhead light, because like this isn't very efficient. But my bed is off the ground currently, and there's like a whole bunch of space underneath that you can't see because it's dark, but I'll probably like put a chair under here, and my drawer is actually here, so I like filled it up with all my clothes. But that is something you guys will just have to wait and see for my official dorm tour, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to turn on post notifications and follow me on Instagram and Twitter while you're at it. I post on Instagram all the time, so if you guys are ever in need of more updates from me or want like a behind the scenes look at what I'm doing, make sure to follow me on there because I'm super active on Instagram. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!